My desire at Nomi Brew is to make good coffee really accessible. We want to create a cup of coffee that's a hybrid mix, so it's going to taste something like a French press or a pour over with the touch of a button.
There really isn't another bean to cup machine out there in the marketplace that delivers this quality at this price point.
It was really modeled after three main things. So I wanted a podless system, I wanted convenience, and then I wanted a reasonable price point.
It addresses all the important factors in coffee brewing, which are temperature, grind, proportion, and perfect extraction.
The Podbuster is phenomenal. I love that it actually grinds its own beans. That's my favorite part of it.
We invested a lot of time and effort, especially into our conical burr grinder, which is made of stainless steel and a very solid construction, which enables a perfect, consistent grind every time.
What I'm most impressed about with the Podbuster is you get the freshness of fresh grounds with the convenience of one cup and a short brew time.
One of the design evolutions in the Podbuster brewer that we're super proud of is our pulse brewing technology, which enables water to fully saturate the bed of grounds and give us great extraction. And what does great extraction lead to? A great cup of coffee.
The quality that you have, the coffee that you get from it, the ease of making it, the sustainability, I mean, just the whole package, it's well worth the money.
We've been able to bring the coffee machine to where it's at today, but now we need your help. I'm super excited to say that we're really close, and we'll be able to get these in homes in early 25.
We need your support through our Kickstarter campaign to bring our great brewer to market and help you enjoy the perfect cup every day.